Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be telling you about the IT job markets. What are the positive updates that we have got from the industry? And there is definitely a good news coming up for you. So let me tell you in detail. And we would be discussing about the various news that we are getting. So every Sunday, we are sharing this. We are creating a video on this particular topic. What is the updates on the IT job? So you are sitting in the corporate office, you are sitting for as an experienced, or you are sitting as a fresher person, and you are watching this video. So what is the market news that we are getting? So there are multiple positive news that we have got. So one is the Indian IT companies are signing more deals this quarter. So this has been found that there are more and more deals coming from the IT companies, and which is very a good positive sign. If you would see 2023 year, it was a very dry year for the IT companies. The key IT service providers, they're getting more and more deals in the month of July, August, and even in September as well. So this is one of the positive news. Before we go to the details on this, what I would do is I would share one of the digital product with you, which we have created for assisting you in getting the job opportunities. So this is an ATS friendly resume template that we have created. With the help of this resume, with the help of this template, many of our subscribers got an opportunity to apply in different companies such as Apple and in big MNC companies as well. So I would request you to download this digital product, and it is available at a very nominal cost. We have created the ATS friendly resume template for both for experienced as well as for freshers. So I would be putting the link of the template in the comment section as well as in the description of the video. You can avail it at a very nominal cost. So coming back to the job market details, so we were seeing that the Indian IT companies are getting more and more deals this quarter. Now, apart from this, if you'll see TCS, they have announced 4 major deals, and they are getting the deals from various customers such as McDonald's, and then Rolls-Royce, Primark. So these are few of the major deals that TCS has got in this particular quarter itself. And not only this, but there is a huge number that is associated with Infosys as well. So Infosys, which is actually one of the TCS competitor, they have signed 3 deals in July. That is including with Metro Bank, then Sector Alarm, and many more. So you can see as and when these deals are coming, so it's a very positive sign. The companies would be getting the projects, they would be spending money to work on those projects, and in order to spend the money, they would be doing hiring, they would be going into the interview procedure. And last week itself, we had created a video that the Indian IT companies would be starting to go for the campus recruitments, would be going for the placement programs. So that is also a good news for the freshers. So with respect to freshers, with respect to experienced, we are getting all these positive update from the IT industry. Not only that, but recently, if you will see, you would also see the news that we are getting from the US. So there is a rate cut, there is a cutoff, there is a Fed rate cut that is made in the US. So every quarter, if you will see in the last 3 to 4 quarters or last 6 quarters, either the interest rate was increasing or the interest rate was remaining stagnant. It was as is. But now the US market also feels that there is a recession, and because of that, they have decreased the interest rate, and which is what is the IT companies would be investing more. They would be getting more and more money from the market, and they would be able to work on those projects with less particular pressure or with less particular amount on that, right? So this reduction that has come in the interest rate, it is expected to bring more and more relief, and hence it would give a kind of an opportunity, a chance to the companies to invest more and more money and to get more and more projects, right? So there was a chance of economic uncertainty as well, but because of this interest rate cut, definitely the IT companies would be coming back. Now we are also getting one of the news, which is from the Accenture company, right? So Accenture company has delayed the appraisals. So here you have to understand that they have not delayed the appraisals for everyone, which is what has come in the Economic Times. So this is the official news that has come in the Economic Times. They are going to deal with this appraisal, with this delay in the appraisal for the contractual employees only. So there will be a kind of changes that they would be bringing in. There would be some kind of amendments. There would be some kind of updates that they would do for the Accenture, for the contractual employees who are working in the Accenture company. And hence, what they would do is they will work on them, and after 6 months, they will give them the hike, which is again not a good sign. But yeah, we can understand that when there are multiple positive news coming up, so there would be one or two news coming up from one or two companies, right? So this is happening. So there is a mix of news, but don't think that it is a completely a negative news. It is not like all of the companies in the IT sector, in the IT industry has gone for a toss or have delayed the appraisals. It is just one of this company, and they have their own setbacks for that. They have their own reasons for that. And it is only for the contractual employees who are working in the Accenture company, right? And not only that, if you'll see the Indian IT companies, they are signing more and more deals. So there would be definitely more demand. It's just the figure of July and August that we have got. Recently, they have made biggest, or you can say at least the largest 33 deals in this 2 months itself. So which is again a very positive sign. If you would see the IT market, if the projects are not coming, definitely the hiring will not happen, because you don't need manpower to work on those things. How much manpower you would be entertaining on the bench? So it becomes very important that you should get more and more investment from the market. You should get more work from the outside. You should get projects from the outside. Once you get the projects, then and then only the hiring will happen, right? So this is how the IT job market would be now booming, and it's a very good thing to see here. Right. So that's it for this video. So every Sunday we are coming up with these particular news. And let me also share with you the digital product, the ATS friendly resume template that we have created. It's a digital product that you can download it in the PDF format. You can convert it into the Word document. You can update your resume, and you can publish it on Naukri, or you can publish it and you can ask for the referral for other people as well. Right. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.